Hello, gentlemen. Now we can see this is a whole set power inverter. Upside will be a control box here. This is the control box. And the downside will be transformer box. Okay, this is the front side. You can use here to have AC 110 to 220. This is 110 switch LED display fuse. Okay. Let's see what's the back side. Okay, look like. 好，翻过来。Okay, this is the back side. Before we testing both two boxes, then we can connect each other. Okay, here we have a T1, and this is a T2. Just connect the cable. Here we have a voltage cable. 4-piece voltage cable connect here. You can see every number, you just use the same number to connect it. Here we have a signal cable. Here also signal cable. And this will be a positive, negative from your battery bank. Okay? Then you are okay to setting up to use your lovely transformer power inverter. Thank you. Hello, gentlemen. Before we assemble the power inverter, now new design, we can testing the control box first. How to test? Okay. Here we have a DC 24 volt. You just connect the positive and negative from your battery bank. Then we can see the voltage here will have the volts like 12 volt and 10 amp, something like this. That means controllable is no problem to connect it. Okay. Now we connect 24 volt. You can see here we have a 24 volt 0.4. That means the control box is very good. So you can safety to connect your transformer box. Okay. Thank you. No need to move the switch. Just connect the battery 24 volt. Then you can see here LED. This still stay as the off button. Okay. Thank you. Hello, gentlemen. Here is transformer box. It also can testing by itself before you set up the power inverter. Okay. Here we have an AC input. This is just for testing. We will put the 110 voltage to here. Then you will see the voltage here will some words to showing. That means the transformer is good. No short saturation. Okay, let's see. 好，接上。Now we go to 110 input. Okay, you can see here. We have a 22.3 voltage, 0 amp. This means this transformer is good to go. Okay, thank you. Hello, gentlemen. Now we already connect all the cable here. You can see. T1, T2, and 4-piece cable, and signal cable. And this is a positive, negative from your battery bank. After all setting, you can see transformer has 24 volts voltage here. How about your front side? Let's see. We can see MP 25 and 7.5 amp. Because we have a light on, so it's like 100-200 watt output. And here is 110. You got 130. This is 220. This is still not correct, but 220 will also show you the voltage. And here is the correctly using. Thank you. Okay. Before that, you can see the AC output will be 220. Okay, because now the jump cable you need to connect to number 2, number 3. Then you will both show you the output 110 to 20 to 30 like this. Okay, and this will be a jumbo cable with different position. Will show you different voltage. Thank you. Okay, before that, you can see the AC output will be 220. Okay, because now the jump cable you need to connect to number 2, number 3. Then you will both show you the output 110 to 20 to 30 like this. Okay, and this will be a jumbo cable with different position. Will show you different voltage. Thank you. Hello, gentlemen. Today we are talking about the control board inside. Let everybody know how easy if the control box has something problem need to fix. So here we can see we have a power multiple here. Every set have 4 pieces, 1, 2, and the other side 1, 2. So first step we just take away the front side with screws and back side with screws. Then we replace the power multiple. This is about spending you maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes like this to replace the power multiple. After that, we can replace another driver board. You can see the driver board all is fixed tightly by screws. So you just take away the screw, then you just screws back. Then the whole, you can see the whole control box will be ready. So this is very easy if you want to fix the module version. Thank you.
抖音
Hello. Now we make a really testing to show how to replace the power multiple. First of all, we take away the screws. And another screw. Two screws. Then leave it up. Make something to fix. See, make sure this is not done. You can see. Here. We just take away the screws here. And this take away. Here, same way, just screw out. And this way, then you can replace the power multiple. Very easy, huh? The other side will be the same way to remove it. Okay, thank you.
抖音